Welcome to Review Me Automotive. With its GSF, Lexus goes up against respected adversaries like the BMW M5, Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG, Cadillac CTS-V, and Audi RS7, however off guard. Truly, it has a 467-pole V8, yet constrained enlistment gives the greater part of its rivals significantly more power. All things considered, track prepared taking care of blended with Main Street behavior and a family benevolent lodge make the 2018 Lexus GS F an exceptionally engaging superior car. Changes for 2018 are insignificant. The path takeoff cautioning framework ends up noticeably dynamic path control, and the Enform Safety Connect and Service Connect administrations are currently complementary for a long time. The GSF depends on some entirely great bones. We like the treatment of the base GS. However, Lexus has put some work into the GSF to make it proficient on a course. Lexus engineers have fortified the structure, included a torque vectoring differential, swapped in greater brakes, introduced bigger 19-inch wheels on sticky summer tires, and redesigned the body to slice through the air better and give better cooling. The high caliber of the inside materials is another motivation to like this auto, and the lively components added to the cockpit just make it all the more engaging. Like the standard GS, in any case, we discover the Lexus remote touch control interface baffling to utilize. The progressions from the base auto are for the sake of cooling and streamlined features. A strong interpretation of Lexus shaft grille rules the front end. It is flanked by a couple of air admissions, one for an oil cooler and the other for the transmission cooler. The lighting is altogether LED, including the L-designed headlights, turn signals, daytime running lights, and taillights. The front bumpers are more extensive than those of the GS and they have coordinated air vents to give the motor compartments a chance to relax. Noticeable rocker boards give the auto a lower look and profile, while the backside is featured by a carbon fiber strengthened plastic clip spoiler and quad fuse outlets that jab through a lower diffuser. Underbody covers smooth out the windstream underneath the auto to enhance general solidness. Bounce inside, and you will see a cockpit-style lodge with an on a level plane-themed dash, LED surrounding lighting, and lively touches that incorporate aluminum pedals, high-back game seats, punctured cowhide on the seats and directing wheel, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara on different surfaces. The Lexus GS is a proficient game vehicle in its own right, however the GSF turns up the wick impressively, making it a genuine track auto that still offers Main Street behavior. We rate the GSF a 8 for execution, giving it focuses for power, taking care of, and controlling reaction. To the GS's structure, the GSF adds 4 additional underbody props to solidify the structure, and it shows signs of improvement suspension and undercarriage equipment. The two-fold wishbone front and back suspensions are normal to the two autos, however the GSF has its own geometry and it utilizes aluminum for a portion of the parts to lessen unsprung weight. Versatile stuns are standard, as are bigger brakes, fashioned 19-inch wheels, Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, and an electrically controlled